we're taking a look at my Auto World Thunderjet Ultra G 1941 Willys custom panel. I think it turned out pretty good. You can see here I lowered the body quite a bit, and I also brought the front wheels in closer together, which I had to do in order to lower the body this far. And all you have to do that is cut the inner pins off the rims, and then just obviously squeeze the rims in tighter. That allows plenty of room, and there's no clearance issues with the pickup shoes. But you can see how low that is. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. We'll put her on the track and test her out. It runs really well. I think the Thunderjets run really good, just a little bit of adjustment with the magnet. And like I say, on all my Thunderjets, I move the front wheels in farther, and I drop the bodies on as far as I can get them, as long as the gears aren't rubbing. Yeah, you can see it holds the track really well, even with all the tons that I have. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.